we're gonna show you or display how to cure a cough using doctor kits and just for like a play set, so don't get all wrong. This girl has a cough. This is Kimberly, actually my sister. So it's true that she has a cough. So we're looking here and we're finding how's her temperature. So this is kind of like, oh, here, find it. This is how to find out how to, yeah, this is a temperature. So I don't know this. So let's start. Okay. Duck. Okay, so you have to wait about 1 minute or maybe only 15 seconds, I guess, to know how she's okay. She's actually 38% cold, and I transferred that temperature here, so it's gonna show. Okay, she needs a medicine for cough. Where is it? Let's find it. This one. Is it this? Nope. Here. See, yeah, it's this. So we have to feed her, and she's acting like a baby now. See, so it's this. Kind of messy now, so. Okay, wait. I'm gonna black out for a while. So for example, this has because it cannot open. It's unopenable. So, oopsie. So we have to feed her. So get up, Nikki.
Do you have water?
Feed it to her. Don't worry, it's kind of clean. And she has to swallow it and drink some water. So how did it taste?
Yum. Strawberry.
Okay, so that's all I guess, but we're still gonna make new ones, so it's kind of messy here, so we can't sleep in here. So we can't take it any longer. Oh, I forgot. I have to feel her heart. Her heart beats. She's beating really fast, so take a deep breath. Her heartbeat is kinda beating fast, so that's all for now because it's almost 5 minutes. Okay, bye.